Welcome back. We are going to reopen Word, so click on your Start button. Type Word in your search, and Word program pops up first, so we'll open up Word. And now we want to make sure that we are in our Word program, and it shows our recent documents. And the most recent document should be your last name, first initial, underscore, adventure flyer that we just created. So go ahead and open that up. Just click on it and it opens it for you. Excellent. And then at the bottom of page 47, it wants us to zoom to 100%. So we're going to click on the View ribbon. Go to the Zoom section, and this time we're going to click on 100%, and it zooms out to there. A little different. Now we're going to insert text into an existing document. So we want to click in front of the word with, Explore Scenic Trails with. Click right in front of that W, and then we're going to type the word today. So as you type, it moves all the text over to the right, and you continue typing. Okay? Now, if it erases, that means that you've probably pushed your insert key on your computer, and you need to hit that to make it stop. Alright? So technically, when you click and when you type within a document, it'll move everything in front of that cursor to the right, so you can just insert whatever you need to type. Now on page 49, it wants us to delete some text. So we're going to double click on the word today that we just typed in there. And then we are going to delete it by pressing the delete key on our keyboard. And now it is gone. So sad. Alright, to move text, we want to select the line where it says all vehicles and gear provided. So you might need to grab your vertical scroll bar and slide down, and to the left, if you'll click one time, it selects the entire thing. And then you can use your mouse, and you want to move all vehicles up to where open march is. So you're going to swap the two lines. So you're going to click with your left mouse button, grab and drag up, and you see you have a large vertical I-beam there. You'll drop it right in front of the word open, and notice that now all vehicles is second, and open March through October is third. So then we're going to click on the Save button and our Quick Access toolbar. And we're going to learn how to print. Now, since you are turning everything in on Blackboard, you're not actually going to print. You will attach your file onto Blackboard. But with that being said, you do need to know how to print, so we're going to go through the motions. On page 51, you'll click on the word File, and then click on Print. Then you need to make sure you have the correct printer selected. Now, we're not actually going to print, but this section here is the printers. If you click on the down arrow, you have several different choices. If you ever want to print, if you ever want to send it as a PDF, you can print as a PDF. And that's great. That is really great when you want to send something to somebody who might or might not have your version of Word, or if you want to send something to somebody who you don't want changing your stuff. Alright, so we would choose the printer that we want to print on, and then you want to make sure all of the settings are exactly the way you want them to be. So you have these are all your settings: print all pages, print one-sided. These are all the different things that you can choose, and in this case we're not changing anything. So if we were to print it, you would hit the print button up here. We are not printing, so because if you're internet, you can't turn it into me like that, and if you're in the class, I don't like killing trees, so we're not going to print them, but you know how to print now. We can switch to read mode. So we can tap or click the read mode button in the status bar. So we're going to get out of our print. So hit this left arrow at the top left hand corner of your screen. That takes you back to your normal view. And if you look down in your status bar in the right hand side, you notice that you have 3 icons before the zoom stuff that we've worked with. The very first icon is the read mode. Go ahead and click on your read mode. Now read mode is cool because you have arrows on the left hand side and the right hand side. If you had more than one page, or in this case like it's huge, you can see everything that you've done. And if we had a book, you could hit this right arrow here and it would take you to see, you could read it just like a book. That's why this is called the read mode. Notice right here, this is the end of the document, so you know there is no more. And then we want to switch to print layout view, and that is our normal view that we work in, so that is to the right of the read mode. Print layout view down here in your status bar. Print layout, and there you go. And that is the normal thing that we usually work in. And then the very last thing it says is this project is now complete, and you want to click on the close button on the right side of the title bar. So once again, we are going to close. Alright, now all you have left is the assignments. If you'll look in Blackboard, you'll be able to see what the assignments are. Good luck, have fun.